This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable autoplay on X, formerly known as Twitter. I will be using the browser version, but this works exactly the same on the desktop app as it does on the browser version. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have my browser open now and I am logged into X, formerly known as Twitter. To enable or disable autoplay, the first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go down to where it says More. I'm going to click on More. Then I'm going to go to where it says Settings and Privacy. Click on Settings and Privacy. Now in the center pane, you want to go down to where it says Accessibility, Display, and Languages and click on that. Then in the right side pane, you want to go to where it says Accessibility. Click on Accessibility. And then right down here under Motion, it says Reduce Motion or Autoplay. I'm going to click on Autoplay. Gives you two different options. Do you want to enable autoplay on cellular or Wi-Fi? Or do you want to turn off autoplay by toggling on the bottom one here, Never? That is how to enable or disable autoplay on X. Thanks for watching.